Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The South Korean giant company is making the biggest changes and upgrades in the future Galaxy S lineup. According to the latest preliminary data, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a new leak, confirms two key major upgrades and a high-end storage configuration. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy S26 series likely won't feature many new features, making Samsung's planned updates for 2026 even more important. Both the camera and display will receive improvements, at least on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, as recently confirmed by a leak, and the top-end configuration may offer more RAM than previously expected. The latest information about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't actually anything new. Last year, leaks first hinted at two key upgrades to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which have now been confirmed by Ahmed Quader on X. Specifically, the aperture of two of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's four rear cameras will be significantly wider to let in more light. The aperture of the 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera will increase from a subpar f3.4 to at least f2.9, while the aperture of the 200-megapixel main camera will increase from f1.7 to a very good f1.4. In both cases, this promises less noise and potentially less blurry photos, especially in low light, since shutter speed and ISO can be reduced for the same exposure. With a potentially improved 3x telephoto lens, thanks to the new 12-megapixel sensor, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could take better photos and videos than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, despite having otherwise unchanged sensors. However, a significantly more significant camera upgrade has already been hinted at, with the Galaxy S27 Ultra set to launch in 2027. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's front panel will also feature something new: Samsung's latest M14 AMOLED panel, with a privacy-protecting feature, dubbed Privacy Display. Ahmed Quader also confirms this in a post by X, referencing an automatic feature for certain apps like WhatsApp, which was already known from previous leaks. A demo video from Mobile World Congress 2024 demonstrates how Privacy Display will likely work in practice. Last but not least, the leak also confirmed the top-end storage configuration for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, though some caution is still warranted. As previously hinted by Ice Universe, this configuration won't be available worldwide. Some countries may only have 12GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Where exactly the 16GB variant will be released remains unknown. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.